Welcome to video 2. In this video we are going to be setting our goals. Let's get started. In your workbook, turn to the goal setting page at the front of the book. We are going to be setting 4 goals in this video, although you are welcome to set more. Feel free to change the topics. If studying is not in your current or future plans, replace it with hobbies. We are going to be setting a personal, a school or hobby, a social and a health goal today. On the right hand side, we have a brain dump page. Start here to jot down ideas, plans, actions or milestones that you would like to add to your vision board. I'm going to be stepping you through how to set a quarterly goal as an example. Step 1. Write down your overarching goal. This is what you want to achieve this quarter. I'm going to write down to get at least 8 hours sleep every night. Step 2. We are now going to be setting action steps to achieve our goal. Once you have set these, you'll want to write them down in your planner so you can easily find them. I'm going to write my action steps as 1. Switch off technology 2 hours before sleep. 2. Tidy room and pack away 1 hour before sleep. 3. Do a meditation or mindfulness coloring 30 minutes before sleep. Step 3. Now that we have our goal and steps to achieve this goal, it's time to set an achieve by date. I'm going to set my date for the end of March, giving myself 3 months. Step 4. Now it's time to set a reward. It can be something simple or small, but I always find that I have more motivation if I have a reward at the end. I'm going to allow myself to have brunch at a cafe once I achieve my goal. And that's a breakdown on how to set and achieve a goal. I used a simple goal as an example, and you may have more action steps or action steps that take longer. Now that we have set our goals, join me in the last video so we can make our vision boards.